Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan. This video regarding the AIMS NORCET 2020 examination for the nursing officer, which was held on the 8th September 2020. The evening shift question. So the first 40 questions I'm going to discuss on this session, and those are all written the nursing officer examination on the 8th 9 2020 on the evening shift. If you remember any question and if you have any correction on the question which I'm going to discuss, you can make it in the comments box or you can write it in my WhatsApp number. We'll go for the today's discussion. So the question number 1, so what is the size of IV cannula in the given picture? They asked. So they given the orange color IV cannula and they asked the size of the Venflon. So the answer is 14 gauge size, so which were already discussed in our channel. And the second question again from that IV cannula, what is the color of the IV cannula used in the infant? So that yellow color Venflon commonly used for the neonate and children and elderly population, that gauge size is 24 and the color of the Venflon is yellow color. So in the next third question, identify the name of the instrument, and they given the image of the sim speculum and they asked what is that name of the instrument. So this question also were already discussed in the Nursing Virus channel. So in that fourth question, and they given that again image based question, identify the position in the given photograph. So they given that Trendelenburg position, and as well in the morning shift they given the reverse Trendelenburg position. So these questions also were already discussed in the Nursing Virus channel. So the next one also image based question, fifth one, identify the instrument name. They given the Doyen's retractor. These questions also were discussed. And sixth one, what is the electronic city in India? The answer is Bangalore. And the next question, which country bullet train technology used in India? The answer is Japan. And the eighth question, most southern state of India is? The answer is Tamil Nadu. So even though other states in that South India, they called that Kerala, Karnataka, those things also called as southern state, but the most southern state is Tamil Nadu only. And the ninth question, and what is the third most planet from the sun? The answer is Earth. And the 10th question, the Rafales comes from which country to India? The answer is France. So the similar question they were asked in the morning session also, but they asked where they landed the Rafale in India. In which airport they asked. And the 11th one, the President of India, the answer is Ramnath Govind. He is the President of our nation. And the 12th one, so what is the unit used for the measurement of camera image resolution? The answer is megapixel. And the 13th question, who composed the Vande Mataram anthem? So the answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And 14th question, again the aptitude side. On the evening time in sunlight, the face to face, the A and D were standing. The A person's shadow in D right side. Then the which direction does the D stand? The answer is north side. And the next question, which variable does the researcher can manipulate or control? The answer is independent variable. So on this independent variable, the researcher can have much manipulation or control. And the 16th one, identify the given airway type. So they given the airway of Goodell's airway. And the next one, and 17th question, the umbilical cord or the terms contained. They asked this question, and the answer is the two artery and one vein. This question also already discussed in the nursing virus under that OBG questions. And the next 18th, the Murphy sign is seen in which disorder? This is the sign commonly seen in cholecystitis. And 19th one, the related to psychiatric. I doesn't know what is the exact scenario they asked for this thought broadcasting answer. So I created myself for that scenario. The client says that his thought is being getting telecasted in the media without his knowledge. The answer is thought broadcasting. And 20th one, so the 20th scenario also I have created by myself for the answer of the depersonalization. So where the person were not aware about his own person is called as depersonalization. And 21, which vaccine form blister and leave the scare mark after it's injected? So the answer is BCG, that is Bacilli calmette Gurion. And 22nd, which vaccine should not present? So the answer is the DPT vaccine, and as well the DT also should not be present compartment. And 23rd, in which stage of pressure ulcer the bone can be visualized? The answer is stage 4. So on the stage 4, the bone can be easily visible on the pressure sore patients. And the 24, the vacuum suction pressure in adult is, so that normal recommended pressure is 70 to 150 mm of Hg, and even the 200 mm of Hg used with the appropriate suction catheter sizes. Question number 25, thoracosynthesis position after the procedure. So they asked what is the position will be maintained after the thoracosynthesis procedure. The answer is the positioning the patient in the side lying position with the unaffected side down for an hour or longer hour can be maintained. And the 26, second is also image based question. So they given the image of the MRI face image and they asked to identify. And 27, in which container bag the used nasogastric tube need to be discarded? The answer is in the red color bin. So this is the common code for discarding the nasogastric tubes and I. So this is the color coding for discarding the nasogastric tube and IV cannulas and the gloves. So then 28, the red color urine is commonly seen in which drug administration? So the answer is rifampicin. So this is one of the common drug which is mainly cause the red color urine. And 29, the amount of additional calories needed for the pregnancy mother is 300 kilocalories. Related to the similar area, in the morning session they asked about the kilocalories needed for the lactating mother. And the 30th question, so what is the position need to be maintained for the patient with cord prolapsed? The answer is Trendelenburg position. And the 31, again the image based question, they given that image of negative pressure wound therapy and they asked to identify. And 32, the headquarters of WHO located in which place? The answer is Geneva, which is situated in the Switzerland. And 33, India is having rupees. At the same time, the United States currency is, the answer is dollars. And the next one, 34, identify the name of the instrument. They given that episiotomy scissor and they asked to identify. So the answer is episiotomy scissor. This question, image question also were already discussed in Nursing Virus channel. And 35, so the question related to the answer of dystocia. So the dystocia is nothing. The obstructed labor is known as dystocia. And 36, the other name of Sidex solution is, the answer is glutaraldehyde. And the 37, the paper waste management has been done in which bag? The black color coding can be used. And 38, the chemical formula for water is H2O. And 39, the type of pelvis is not suitable for normal vaginal delivery is the android pelvis. And 40th question, the surgeon need to discard the gloves after the surgery in red color bin. The options like the surgeon should discard in yellow color bin and surgeon is right, and discard in blue color bin and discard in black color bin. So the correct answer is the surgeon, whatever things he has done, that is the correct option. The gloves need to be discarded in the red color bin only. So thank you for joining with me. If you remember any other question and answers, you can write it in the comments box or you can inbox to my WhatsApp number. Soon we'll update the remaining questions in the morning and as well in afternoon shift. So far, if you are not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon notification. So you will get all my video notification. Thank you.